Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's MuganX718. Let's go. Yo, Juan Valdez is over here. What's up, Juan? We chilling. So today's video, we're talking about a couple things. We had the door panel taken out right here. Taking a couple screws, the whole quarter panel off the door, pretty much everything, disconnecting the relay to the doors, locks, and also the windows. And you can see the piece over there sitting. Those are cans, not garbage bags, by the way. So we're over here chilling. This is the work that we've done. We're not at the point where we're stuck, and we're trying to get the door handle, what's it called, bro?
Lock cylinder.
The lock cylinder, which is in here. We've gotten this far, and we're trying to get the little pin that comes out. It's supposed to be in the back, like a little 1 or 2 finger pop out, but the little hook that we have is not long enough. It's just like a little short. It's like the pick is an inch or 2 inches too short just to grab in. And if we had that, I mean, we could probably get to it, but we took everything out from the mirror all the way down. We have all the parts, everything here on the dash, on the side. This is the water seal right here. A pretty easy fix just to put back. It's a little plastic plug, some adhesive. That's easy. 1, 2, 3. But the other thing we're going to be talking about now that we have the speaker exposed. The speakers, along with our deck that we have to get these jewels over here peeled off. Gotta peel all this stuff off. Okay, yeah, so that's my next question for you, bro. Okay, so we have these little decorations that are glued to the front board here. Okay, you see like all the glue and then like all the excess. So like, what can be a quick, easy wipe, do you think, to get?
Windex.
To get the glue off and like mix it, maybe?
Yeah.
Like mix the glue, mix the rubbing alcohol with the Windex, and then after, I mean, because there's all this, there's like this right here, you can see right here, and then trying to do that. But just to update you, this is MuganX718 here, live on YouTube. Well, not live, but we're doing a video with Juan Valdez. We actually ordered the billet, aluminum or titanium, whatever it is, hood latch. You can see right here, the hood latch is broken. That's probably a 20-minute, half-hour job. We gotta, pop a couple things out, and then 2 screws, get it in, and make it work. So, back to the audio. This is a 10-inch. Is that right?
What, that speaker?
The speaker is a 10-inch?
No, it's probably like a 3.5 or a 4.
3.5 inch or a 4?
Yeah, you have a tape measure?
Yeah, there. Oh shit! Fucking, it's inside. But yeah, I would guess that was 3 inches,
say, yeah,
4 inches
3.5.
maybe. Yeah, we could say that. Okay, so to take everything off like we did, we start with the mirror right there. We got into the panel over the door. We're still trying to fix the door handle. We do have the new one. It's down there somewhere. You see,
6.5.
yeah.
It's a stock size.
I thought there were 6s.
Oh yeah, maybe. I had a bad look at it.
Now, like, I mean, it's probably a 6. As I remember, a lot of Honda Accords, Civics, Acura Integras, like the early 90s, like mid 90s, late 90s, Acura Integras, they were pretty much the same. Like, also, the Honda CRV is on a Civic frame, so, like, this is, like, the parts, the headlights are similar. Um, so, we are here talking about what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4 doors, and then we got that. Okay.